Hey everyone, welcome back to English Express. I'm Emily. Today in our Practical English series, we're going to learn useful phrases for one of the most important everyday situations, going to the pharmacy. Whether you have a headache, a cold, stomach problems, or need basic medicine, knowing how to explain your symptoms and ask for help in English makes everything much easier and less stressful. In this episode, we'll cover many real situations you might face at a pharmacy, and you'll hear the key phrases many times so they become natural for you. When you walk into the pharmacy, the pharmacist or assistant usually says, "Hi, how can I help you?" You can start by saying, "I have a bad headache. Do you have anything for that?" Or, "I'm not feeling well. I need some medicine for a cold." If you want to explain your symptoms clearly, here are useful ways to say them. I have a sore throat and a cough. My stomach hurts and I feel nauseous. I have a high fever and body aches. I've had a runny nose for 3 days. I can't sleep at night because of this allergy. You can also say, "I need something for a headache, please. Could you recommend something for allergies?" Or, "What's good for a bad cough?" If you need painkillers, you can ask, "Do you have ibuprofen? Can I have some paracetamol, please?" Or, "I need cough syrup for dry cough." For other items, you can say, "I need a pack of band-aids. Do you have vitamin C tablets?" Or, "Can I get some eye drops for dry eyes?" It's important to tell the pharmacist about any allergies or other medicine you're taking. You can say, "I'm allergic to penicillin," or "I'm already taking medicine for blood pressure. Is this safe to take?" If you're not sure which medicine is best, ask, "Which one is better for a headache? Is this medicine safe for children?" Or, "How many times a day should I take this?" After the pharmacist gives you the medicine, listen carefully. They might say, "Take 2 tablets 3 times a day after meals." You can check by saying, "Should I take it with food?" Or, "Are there any side effects?" Here are more useful pharmacy phrases. I feel dizzy and tired. I have a bad toothache. Do you have something for insect bites? Can I get this without a prescription? How long should I take this medicine? Is there a cheaper option? When you pay, you can ask, "How much is this in total? Can I pay by card?" Or, "Do you have a receipt, please?" Let me repeat some of the most important phrases so you remember them well. I have a headache. Do you have anything for that? I have a sore throat and cough. I need medicine for stomach pain. Could you recommend something for allergies? How many times a day should I take this? I'm allergic to penicillin. Is this safe with other medicine? You can practice these at home by imagining you're at the pharmacy. Say out loud, "Excuse me, I have a bad cold. What do you recommend?" Or, "I need something strong for a headache, please." Going to the pharmacy in English doesn't have to be difficult. With these phrases, you can clearly explain what's wrong, ask for the right medicine, and understand the instructions. This will help you take care of your health confidently when you're abroad or speaking with English-speaking staff. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing these pharmacy phrases. They are really useful in real life. You're doing a fantastic job improving your spoken English. See you in the next episode. Take care and have a wonderful day.